Okay, now we have the Retina Curtar Xenon CF4 lens. I think it's made for those Kodak Retina cameras. It's a very interesting package. It's like a pudding. But yeah, this is the lens itself. I show you. Okay. I'm not sure what mount it is. I'm not sure like which retina it works on, but it looks nice. The focusing works. The shutter, I'm not sure how to activate it. Maybe it's from the camera. I'm not sure. But yeah. So this is the lens. And thank you everyone for watching. Oh, it locks onto the thing. Wow. So it doesn't fall out. So nice. Okay, thanks everyone. See you.